Old vehicle has a lot of the power, noisy, emission problems, and high fuel consumption. All of the lubricant oil additive already marketed actually are not so trusted by consumers due to the uncertain effectiveness before and after application. The simply inject 30 ml graphene-based engine restorer, our GDA, you could realize the immediate and amazing effectiveness to restore the engine within just half an hour driving. So finally, power increased and emission and noise dropped down and the fuel efficiency increased. Consumers can realize the totally different grade effectiveness and the great engine performance immediately, before and after, not like most of the existing lubricant oil additive. The totally different effectiveness of our graphene GDA compared with the all existing additive could be clearly explained. Nanotech developed the world unique nanographenes. Graphene is really wonder material of the next generation. World thinnest, lightest, strongest material with the advantage of the great characteristic. GDA is really outstanding aftermarket product. Self-restoring old engines and make new engines simply in low cost. The world unique and wonderful nanographene technology developed by the Nanotech International.
A 4 to 10 liter oil capacity piano. Fajile oil sachet baako a 30 ml. Egu engine oil tank nimu. Na answer na wudi gile oil ebegu car engine nimu no. Make sure say wabo mi car engine no answer.
We have two different productions. This one is all-in-one type. Applied any type of the vehicles with the gasoline, diesel, and gas engines for the 4 to 10 liter oil capacity. The other one we call as the universal restorer for the less than 600 cc smaller engines for motorbike, three-wheeler, power steerings, gearbox, differential, compressor, generator, conveyor belt, and all smaller metallic mechanism. This is real packaging, high concentrated 30 ml pouches. Our 30 pouches in inner box like this, and 600 pouches in the carton box for the global shippings. All our global dealers developed their own individual paper box like this. Each customer developed a box like this, very nice box. This customer developed box like this. Another customer developed like this. All global customer developing the box by themselves. Consumers don't trust the all existing lubricant oil additive because no effective and no differences before and after application. But our nanographene based GDA engine restorer has a real effectiveness just on the half an hour drivings. All vehicles basically inject the mineral oil, synthetic oil, and the expensive PAO oil. But all this conventional type of engine oil has a function just for lubrication. When mixing together with the nanographene engine restorer, our GDA, into the conventional type of the lubricant oil, you can see the great engine performance immediately. More smooth, silent, much powerful, less smoking, and pure efficiency improved. All graphene, our graphene GDA is real self-engine restorer and they make a new engine in cheap cost. This is world unique nanographene technology with outstanding and incomparable and real effectiveness. So GDA guaranteed the engine performance dramatically improved and make new engines immediately.